And welcome to the Smart Science measuring video about the pendulum and mass lab. In this lab, we're looking at how the mass of a pendulum affects its period of motion. Period means the time for the pendulum to swing all the way down, let's say to the right, and then all the way back where it started from on the left-hand side. So if we release a pendulum by pulling it to the left and let it go, it'll swing to the right and swing back to where it started. The time it takes to do that is called the period. So we've got some equipment used in the lab. We've got a number of different masses. We're going to attach the end of the string. There's a picture of what a pendulum looks like. And the guideline says that we're going to click in the center of the pendulum ball or the bob in each image to take our data measurements. Let's go ahead and try this. So first thing you have to do after considering the central question is take a hypothesis you'd like to test, or you can write one yourself if you're in a more advanced class. So I'm just going to click one. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at some of these different options. We've got 5 masses: wood, cork, aluminum, brass, and lead. You can see the value. I'll just pick aluminum and press play to see that pendulum swing. Here we go. See how the pendulum's pulled to the left there. We let it go, it swings right, and it goes back and forth a number of times. So as you can see, the pendulum period, it's gone through quite a few times in that video. Let's see how the measuring goes. We're going to click in the center of the ball. That's going to take a position and time measurement as the pendulum swings up to the right and then back down to the center, back up to the left again, and then back down through center again. You notice that we get a number of different points. To find the period, you're basically going to find the time it took to get from the beginning back to where it started again, one full back and forth swing. So try to figure out what that is in the context of this pendulum. You can see milliseconds and centimeters measured here in your data table and on the graph. And once you've figured that out, compare that value for all 5 different masses. Don't forget to press the save button to save your data up here into your list. And once you've done more than one set, use the all button to compare those graphs. Hopefully this helps you learn how mass affects the period of pendulum in this Smart Science lab.